29th of March 2025 was the third day of the Yatra. The Sai Palki was camped a little bit further than it normally does at Padga. We had some tea and biscuits at the camp itself before we began walking.
अरे नवीन आयटम लोणचा हा अच्छा राज्याने म्हणतात लोक आता लोणचं आपलं
Says good morning. Today is the third day of the Yatra. We are at Padga right now. The Palki had camped here last night, as you can see behind me. We just had the darshan of the Palki and we are starting our journey from here. So it is right now 6:27. Around 6:30 the Palki will leave. Vehicles that you saw right now, those are with the group which is meant for the lady members of the Palki, and as you can see they are standing right here. So that is Sai Prerna group, Sai Prerna Mandal. You can actually see the Mahuli Fort from here. That there is the Mahuli Fort.
सागरा गोड करण्याची शक्ती आपणा मध्ये साची हाती पिठले भाकरी दिसती दत्त गुरु शंभू भोलेनाथ साईनाथ रे शंभूनाथ रे कालरूपी साई शिर्डीला आले लिंबाखाली गुरुस्थानी प्रगट झाले शिर्डी गाव.
Every morning we have the tea and biscuits at the camp itself, and after the first 7 to 10 kilometers of the Yatra of that day, Sai Swags have the breakfast. So the breakfast spot is usually 7 to 10 kilometers away from the place where they start in the morning. Today we are supposed to have a breakfast at Vashin, that is where the breakfast camp would be set up. This is one of my favorite breakfasts about the Yatra, so I will show you once we get there.
पालखी साई पालखी वारकरी वेश परिधान करावा. शक्यतो पांढरे कपडे परिधान.
साईराम. ओम साई. ओम साई. ओम साईराम. ओम साईराम. ओम साईराम.
ओम साईराम.
साईराम.
वेळीच डॉक्टरांशी संपर्क साधणं सोयीचं होईल. त्यामध्ये नैसर्गिक मृत्यू झाल्यास
Walking to Shirdi from Mumbai was not as easy as it is today about 50 years ago, in the 1970s, which were the beginning years of the Sai Palki procession. On our way to Shahpur from Vashin, we got to have a great conversation with Sai Sevak Vivek Moe, who gave us a glimpse about his first Padyatra to Shirdi in the 1970s. He told us how while reciting the Aarti, Shirdi Maje Pandharpur, Sai Baba Ramavar, he thought just like how the Varkaris walked to Pandharpur, the same way a Padyatra to Shirdi could also be performed. His hypothesis for Padyatra was Pa means Pad, Da means Daman, the Attahas or the pursuance for it being the Padyatra. Having such motivation, he decided to do a Padyatra to Shirdi, but was not aware of any means. He started to gather other individuals for the Padyatra who agreed initially but later backed out, thinking how difficult it would be. Some even made fun of him for his idea. After not being able to convince anyone for the Padyatra and many being reluctant about it, he thought maybe even Sai Baba is trying to convey him the same message. In the pursuance of his answers, he decided to travel to Shirdi. On his way in the bus, he thought of using the same method of chits to get his answers, just like from a chapter in the Sai Charitra. But he also thought how getting yes as an answer would definitely encourage him, but getting a no as an answer would also raise another question: why not? Thus he decided to consult the Swami Maharaj. He met with the Swami Maharaj at the Saudi and told him how the question of whether to perform a Padyatra to Shirdi or not is being unanswered for over a year, and how others are being reluctant about it. The Maharaj simply asked him, on whose faith and trust have you come to Shirdi? The answer was simple: Sai Baba's. So then why bother what others are saying or thinking if you have faith in Sai Baba? He got his answers and decided to perform a Padyatra to Shirdi. While he started to prepare for the Padyatra, many others still criticized his idea. Those were the times when only 2 buses traveled to Shirdi from Mumbai. Many would say to him how difficult and risky would this Padyatra be. Walking alone, chances of running out of food, water and money, the risk of being looted in the ghats. But having complete faith and trust on Sai Baba, he embarked on the Padyatra with whatever money he had in his pockets. And to quote him exactly, he would say Sai Baba gave him a VIP treatment throughout the Padyatra. Without any problems, troubles or risk, he reached Shirdi, healthy, happy on the 6th day of the Padyatra.
साईराम. देवा साईराम.
After having an excellent breakfast back at Vashin, I'm now pretty full and we have to travel to Shahpur now, which is about 10 kilometers from Vashin. Right now it is 6 kilometers away still. We have been walking for the past few minutes and I've already walked 4 kilometers. Shirdi is where we are supposed to reach tonight and it is 23 kilometers away from here. This 10 kilometer stretch from Vashin to Shahpur is kind of hard, especially during this time of the day under the scorching sunlight.
काल रात्री एकदम एवढी पाहिजे पा पालखीचं दर्शन करायचं पालखीच्या 1 मिनिट थांब दसऱ्याचा उद्या तुझे पुढे माहिती आपण पालखी गेली का
साई दया सागरा तुझ्या मायेचा वाहू दे
घ्या
बाबांचा प्रसाद घ्या माऊली थंडगार
मला बोलवना पायी पायी
We have reached Shahpur. Here is the Sai Big statue also. So my dad's sandal broke, so he's trying to get it sewed up.
The Sai Palki reached Shahpur by 12 p.m., where the Sai Palki was offered Naivedya. After being offered the Naivedya, the Madhyanarati of the Sai Palki was also performed at Shahpur itself. Meanwhile, we rested at a post office at Shahpur until 4:14 p.m.
Hello, Sairam. It is 4:14 right now. We are still at Shahpur. The Palki must be resting ahead of us. We were resting here for some time. By that I mean for almost 4 hours. So we had our lunch here itself. Now we are heading towards where the Palki is. This is where the Palki had rested in the afternoon. Seen the Palki had rested here during the afternoon. The Madhyanarati was also performed here, and Sai Silks had their lunch over there. There's a campsite there where they had their lunch. And right now we are starting for the place where the Dhupadi will be performed. We are right now at Adgaon and we are near the place where the Dhru party will be performed. And after this, we have to travel to Khardi, which according to this signboard is around 12 kilometers away from here. That is where we'll set up camp for the night.
मसाला दूध साईराम
Soon as we had reached the place where the aarti is to be performed at Adgaon, we were offered some masala doodh here.
वायुदेवाचा पुत्र माता अंजनीचा बाळ त्याला दिसे ओलाळ फळ त्याला दिसे ओलाळ फळ त्याला दिसे ओलाळ फळ त्याला दिसे ओलाळ फळ विचार केला उठाण केला उठाण केला आयाला गेला सूर्य जगला आयाला गेला सूर्य जगला असा बाळ पाहुणी देव इंद्राचा बकला असा बाळ पाहुणी देव इंद्राचा बकला माझा बजरंगी आला घेऊन वानर सेनेला माझा बजरंगी आला घेऊन वानर सेनेला माझ्या बजरंगी आला घेऊन वानर सेनेला बघ समोर महासागर बघ महासागर सदन तुलंका पार सदन तुलंका पार विचार केला उठाण केला विचार केला उठाण केला रावणी लंकेला जाऊन आला रावणी लंकेला जाऊन आला ईश्वरम सद्गुरुं साईनाथं सदा करुणेत प्रसादिमुने भवद्भावबुद्ध्या सफलयादिसेवा गुणापूर्वतारूपमुक्तिप्रदं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं
Every day after the Dhru Party, the Aftagiri and the umbrella of the Sai Palki are stored on a vehicle. They later joined back the procession the next morning.
what you just saw was one part of the camp at Khardi, and right now we have to look for a truck. So every truck has a unique lighting for the members of that group of that truck to identify that vehicle. Now we have to identify ours. So let's see. So after traveling about 35 kilometers from Padga in the morning, we have reached at Khardi. So thus completing the third day of the yatra. I'll meet you guys tomorrow for the fourth day. So see you soon. Om Sai Ram.